How to delete Instagram messages from both sides. So if you want to delete your Instagram message from both sides, then first of all you need to open up your Instagram application. And after opening, now you can simply go for your messages, which is on the upper right, and then simply choose a chat. And here if you send something, so for example I've sent something, right? So if you want to remove this chat, or if you want to delete this Instagram message from both sides, from your chat and from the other person's chat, then what you can do is simply tap and hold on to that chat for 2 to 3 seconds, and here you will get a bunch of options. So on the last option you will have unsend. Simply tap on unsend, and unsending will remove the message for everyone. So people may have seen or forwarded it already. So if you want to really unsend this message, then simply tap on unsend and OK. And that's it. That's how you unsend, or that's how you remove the message from both sides. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.